na kami sa Taiwan, mga ka-friends. Dito na kami sa Taiwan, mga ka-friends. Taiwan, mga ka-friends, airport.
VIP Lounge, Tongqing Washington. Ito ang pinakapang nila ito.
Duty free.
Dito tayo nagkuni.
Oo. Magana for na. So yan, pasakay na kami ng Seattle, mga ka-friends. Thank you, Lord. Dito na kami sa Alaska. Ayan, dito na kami sa Seattle, Alaska, mga ka-friends. So, dito na kami, mga ka-friends, sa airport ng Alaska.
Kasi lunas tayo dati sa Budo.
Linggo pa lang ba ngayon?
Oo.
Ang taas. Doon sila sa bulo. Ang taas ng hagdanan, mga ka-friends. So yan, delay ang flight namin, mga ka-friends, at naghihintay kami. Ang daming tao. Ang daming taong naghihintay ngayon dahil sa delay na flight, mga ka-friends. So wakas, mga ka-friends, nakasakay na kami ng Seattle papuntang Baltimore. Delay ang flight namin ng matagal. Magde-demo siya sa airplane.
The exit, 2 doors forward, 4 window exits at the wing, and 2 doors aft. The 4 doors are equipped with evacuation signs. All exits are marked with red and white signs. In a dark cabin, floor-level lighting will lead you to the exits. Please take a moment to look around and locate your nearest exit. It may be behind you. In an evacuation, leave everything behind and follow crew member instructions. To fasten your seatbelt, place the flat end into the buckle, tighten by pulling on the strap, unbuckle by lifting on the top. For your safety and the safety of everyone around you, please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight whenever you are seated, and remain in your seat when the seatbelt sign is on. If needed, an oxygen mask will drop from the panel above. Stay seated and pull down on the oxygen mask to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face coverings, then place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, and secure the mask with the elastic band. Tighten by pulling on the end. The bag will not inflate, however oxygen will be flowing. Put your mask on before helping others, and keep it on until a crew member says it's no longer necessary. Single chamber life vests are located in the compartment overhead. Infant life vests will be provided if needed. If instructed by a crew member, press on the words "Push here, life vest inside" to access your life vest. Grab a life vest, push up on the panel to close, then tear open the bag and remove the vest. Place the vest to the front and buckle, tight by pulling on the end. Just as you leave the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also manually inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. The light will activate in water. There are 4 life vests on board, 2 in the forward ceiling compartments, and 2 in the ceiling compartments near the middle of the aircraft. The evacuation slides of the forward doors can also be used for flotation. Federal law requires you to comply with all crew member instructions, lighted signs, and posted placards. Interference with crew members is strictly prohibited. Federal law also strictly prohibits smoking, vaping, chewing tobacco, or consuming your own alcohol. Bring with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors is also prohibited. Your safety and well-being are important to us. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a crew member. We do ask that you please use the lavatory in the cabin in which you are seated when available. And for security reasons, no line may form in or near the...
Hello mga ka-friends, andito na kami sa Baltimore. Sobrang haba ng delay mga ka-friends. Masakit na sa ulo ang biyahe. Sa baggage claim kami mga ka-friends. Hello mga ka-friends! Andito na kami sa bahay. Welcome home mga ka-friends! Wala kaming nadalang mga luggage dahil na-upload ang luggage namin sa Alaska mga ka-friends. Yan ang tanim ko mga ka-friends. Oh, ayan ang aking sitaw. Tumubo na lahat. Talbos ng kamote. Ang kamatis ko. Ayan na mga ka-friends. Oh, ang dami. May talong pa ako doon oh, sa taas. Ba, napalago lahat ni Patring yung aking tanim mga ka-friends.